Looking at other W4PRO scooter, and I noticed that theirs doesn't have a shock absorber. This one has one in the rear and one in the front, so not sure how mine has one, the same model number, and others don't. See, this one has these two right here, and in the back there's a pair right here. So, and I got this from Temu. I don't know if the seller upgraded this part here and just switch the what you call it, the forks over here with the shock absorber, and in the back I just added this because this side here it looks similar to the one that they're selling without the shock absorber or suspension. This one here's the same, but look like they just added this two here. And the same thing here, look like they just changed the fork here to add as a shock absorber. And yes, it does work. I've been using this a lot and it helps. It's not the best, but it works. So this might be add-on, or I'm not sure if it's part of the thing. If it's the part of the company's line, but this one do have. So the model number is right here. So the same model number. So not sure if it's the same model number but just a different style, or they put the wrong model number. I don't know, but as you can see, the number there's W4PRO, and that's the company is the same, but the design is different. And like I said, I'm not sure if this is they just added the suspension afterwards, or is it part of the manufacturer's lineup of scooters, right? So on my other video I forgot to show the LCD up there, so I'm going to show it to you now. Alright, so here's the LED screen here. I'm surprised that I don't have a running LED light there. On my GoPro, that thing is running, like blinking. Anyway, to switch to eco mode, you push the power button twice, and deep drive mode, and S mode. This is my fastest that I can go. It goes to 30 kilometers an hour or 19 miles per hour. And I've been trying to change this to miles per hour using this button here, but I couldn't get it to work. I don't know if it does work or not, but they said if you use the app you should be able to use it. I mean, change the kilometers per hour to miles, but I don't want any app on another app on my phone, so that's it. I'm not using that. Here's the bell. Brakes. It's a rear brake, so when you rear disc brake, so when you pull that in, the light blinks too, and in the brakes right here, so it pulls. And the motor is on the front, controlled by this throttle right here, and it won't run. You have to go at, I think the scooter has to be moving in order for the throttle to kick in, because it's a safety feature, so that way you don't accidentally just push this and it'll just take off. So you have to kick it, get it going to 1 to 2 miles per hour, then it'll start moving. Also, if you keep it on a steady speed for like 10 seconds, and then I'll go on cruise control, and you hear a beep and it'll go on cruise control. Alright, so this is the W4PRO I got from Temu. I'm still not quite sure why mine has suspensions, which is good, and once I've seen on other places doesn't have one. Alright, that's it. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye. Have a nice day.